Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. In today's video, I have 7 different work from home job leads. We have companies like Urban Outfitters, we have a FedEx, we have a Green Dot, we have one that is paying up to $10,000 a month. That is right. We do have some overnight hours. I've seen in the comments where people are looking for overnight hours. I do have a job in here that is hiring for overnight hours. So I'm trying to fit a little bit of something for everyone in here. So we will just dive all in. The links to all the pages I share are directly linked in the YouTube description box below this video. And in order to not make this video a million years long, I don't have the Glassdoor pages pulled up for these companies. So please, as always, do your own research on any companies before giving them your personal information. And if you enjoy any of these job leads, I do ask that you let me know by giving me that direct feedback. You can give this video a thumbs up, like button, or leave something down in the comments. And of course, share with all your friends and family, because the goal of this channel is to help everyone live their happiest, healthiest life working from home. But first up, we have Urban. Now, Urban owns Urban Outfitters, Free People, Anthropology. They are looking for a remote temporary customer success associate. This is going to be for the evening shift, so they're looking for someone to work 2 p.m. to 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you're outside of that time zone, you'll have to convert your hours. Pay is $15 an hour. It is remote throughout the United States as long as you can work that shift. But they're looking for somebody to be responsible for delivering that great customer service and creating a seamless experience for their customers through phone, email, and chat. So you're going to be communicating with new and potential customers, guiding them through their online shopping experience, answering any order questions, and just supporting them to building a successful brand. You're going to have to make sure you answer all of these interactions within a friendly and relatable manner. They don't require any kind of college degree, just 2 years of customer service experience and someone who can demonstrate a passion and understanding for the Urban brands, customers, and products. You do have to have a stable internet connection, great communication skills, and creative problem-solving skills. If you have customer service experience and you have a lot of great customer service skills, I always say, why not move into leadership where you can get paid a salary and things like that and really boost your income more than that minimum wage level. And so that is what we have here. The company Intoxalock, we have shared this company on this channel before. They make those little DUI blow boxes that are installed on cars that you have to blow into to make the car start. They are looking for a remote supervisor for their customer service team. So as a supervisor, you're going to have to motivate and develop your customer service associates, helping them become better all employees with their performance. And so then you help the team by having overall better customer satisfaction. Of course, you're going to communicate, motivate, and appropriately reward these associates for exceeding their objectives. So you might have to create incentives, hold contests, or do similar activities for the team, updating your other leadership team on any observations, changes, and trends. And you'll have to establish those performance expectations and guidelines with them. So you'll have to review their performance. If you have some that are underperforming, you're going to have those talks with them, enforcing the policies and procedures. So you're just going to focus and achieve on superior customer satisfaction by helping all the customer service reps be the best that they can be. Now, best part about this, they don't require any kind of college degree. Just a high school diploma or GED and 2 to 4 years of some kind of leadership experience is preferred, preferably in a call center. But again, leadership is not necessarily required if you've got great customer service experience and skills. They do need you to have great communication skills and need to know how to use those Microsoft Office computer systems and be a problem solver. Pay starts out at $45,000 plus you get incentives and bonuses. Moving right along, if you're looking for a place that pays really well, FedEx might be just for you. They are looking for a workers' compensation claim advisor. This is going to be a full-time position, and it does say, yes, it is remote. They're looking for somebody to oversee their workers' compensation compensation claims across multiple operating companies administered by the claims service providers. So this means that you'll provide insight for those worker comp claims meeting the established criteria thresholds for your area. You'll utilize metrics and dashboard reporting for any oversight on the claims, serving as a liaison or a go-between between internal and external stakeholders for the workers' comp claims specific related matters. So if they need to be investigated or if other people need accommodations, escalations, things like that. You'll promote the workers' comp litigation avoidance through employee advocacy and proactive resolution, assuring that all claim discovery is been completed. So basically just all around working with these workers' comp claims. Now they are wanting a bachelor degree in risk management, business, finance, or some kind of related field, and 5 years experience with workers' comp claims. Other than that, great communication skills and great problem solving skills. But if you have a bachelor degree, I do not, wish I did. If you have a bachelor degree, I would say run to this position if you have any experience in workers' comp, because pay is where it's at. They are paying anywhere from $6,047 a month, it says monthly salary, up to $10,768 a month. But if you don't have that degree and experience, next up we have the company Smile Doctors. They're hiring a virtual contract entry lead. So Smile Doctors is looking for somebody to ensure that they have signed contracts, redacted autopay, and that's scanned into the patient's documents along with any signed consent for treatment. For new and updated patient forms are all available in the patient's chart. So you're making sure the patient has completed all these forms and they're scanned into the patient's electronic chart. You'll audit patient documents and communicate with the team if you need any updates. You'll confirm who is the responsible party for insurance or payment in general, subscriber demographics, and any treatment type that is selected, ensuring that the insurance tab is completed, and then filing the claims to insurance. You're going to confirm that financial contract is in place with the correct responsible parties so that you can collect payment on all of these claims. They only require a high school diploma or GED and 2 years of related experience. Now you do need to know how to use computer systems, specifically those Microsoft Office systems like Excel, Word, Outlook. Moving right along though, for those of you who have listed that you're looking for overnight hours in the comments, I know you're looking for full-time jobs and specific things, and I'm still on the hunt for that, but I did want to share this because Starry Expert is hiring a part-time person for their customer service, and it is an overnight shift. Now, one thing to note, they can only hire in certain states though. Those states are California, Colorado, Florida, Georgia, Illinois, Kansas, Massachusetts, Michigan, New Hampshire, Nevada, New Jersey, New York, North Carolina, Ohio, Pennsylvania, Tennessee, Texas, Virginia, Vermont, Washington, and Washington, D.C. So both Washington State and Washington, D.C. They are looking for somebody to work Thursday through Friday, 8 p.m. to 4 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, or they have a Friday and Saturday shift, 8 p.m. to 4 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, or a Saturday and Sunday shift. So if you're looking just for like part-time overnight on the weekends or something like that, and you live in one of these states, this might be great for you. Of course, they're just looking for somebody to do basic customer service, responding to those customer phone calls, emails, and live chats related to Starry's internet signups, features, and advanced networking settings. So this is like an internet company. You're going to assist customers with scheduling, rescheduling, canceling appointments, answer any of their account-related questions like promo codes, plan changes, billings, credits, cancellations. You'll also do a little bit of tech support, helping identify, investigate, and resolve any issues with their home Wi-Fi network, making sure that you just retain customers who are requesting to cancel their service. This means you're going to have great customer service skills. They want somebody who has a previous call center or contact center experience, someone who can work quickly, independently, and have great attention to detail. Other than that, you've got to have great organizational skills and be a problem solver. Now, pay for this position is going to be $19 an hour. Next up, we have the financial company Green Dot. They are looking for a total rewards professional. It does say you can work anywhere in the United States with this one. Now, their total rewards professional is going to be like HR. When you think of you have a job and you get benefit package with rewards and things like that, that is what they are looking for here. Somebody to design and deliver their benefit solutions and policies in line with Green Dot's HR and business strategies, assisting and managing employee benefits programs. So you're going to serve as the primary point of contact for planning, implementation, and administration of employee benefit programs such as health insurance, dental insurance, life insurance, 401k plans, all of that. You'll also serve as the company contact for those contracts with the providers of those different benefits and insurances. So you're just going to oversee all the benefit programs processing, including annual auditing, testing, and annual renewals. On top of the main benefit programs, you're also going to administer the company's leave of absence plan with third-party vendors. So if they're like on FMLA, things like that. You're just basically handling the overall HR benefit process, including helping manage the enrollments and helping employees get enrolled into these programs. Now, a lot of HR and benefit positions require a college degree. This one does not. It only requires a high school diploma or GED. They do want somebody who has 3 years experience in some kind of benefits role. Microsoft Excel skills are required, and someone who can work in a fast-paced environment meeting those deadlines. Now, pay for this position is again fairly high, $66,300 a year on the low end, all the way up to $101,300 a year. Next up, we have the company Yelp. They are hiring a restaurant support specialist for their customer retention department. This is remote work from home. I did save this to last because it says this job is available in 4 locations. And when you hit see all, normally you would see just like virtual or remote United States, but you don't. It looks like you've got to be in Texas, Nevada, or Arizona. They might hire outside of those. I don't work for any of these companies. I'm simply sharing what I find online, but I did want to point that out. They are also looking for somebody to work between 6 a.m. and 8 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. This is a full-time 40 hours per week. They're looking for somebody to work Sunday through Saturday, so you will have to work some weekend shifts. They're basically looking for somebody to provide exceptional and timely inbound customer support, both through phone and email for their restaurant division. You'll consult and educate the customers to provide value, resolve their business needs, and retain their business. So people who are looking to leave, you're trying to keep them a customer. You're going to become an expert in the Yelp restaurant software as a service product suite, adapting any product recommendations that'll suit the client's needs. So you'll have to ask them probing questions and find solutions for them to help keep them on board. You're basically going to have to persuade them not to leave the software program. You'll help owners with their full suite of restaurant tools to help market their restaurant effectively and manage their front of house and drive diners as well. This means you've got to be a positive attitude person be a great communicator. You've got to be supportive and value focused. Now, they do prefer a bachelor degree. It says they'll take 3 years of relevant client-facing experience over the degree. And you must be willing to work some weekends and holidays. They do also prefer somebody who's experienced in software as a service, sales, or something like that. Now, pay for this position is anywhere from $52,000 a year all the way up to $68,000 a year. And of course, they offer that standard benefit package that includes health insurance, paid time off, all the things. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video through all of my rambling, I owe you a huge thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. Even if I'm not always responding, I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget, if you enjoyed any of these job leads, give this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.